How to set nickname on Instagram. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you guys how to easily set a nickname on Instagram chats. Let's jump right in. Open up your Instagram application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you can just go ahead and head over to your message section at the top right and then tap on the chat where you want to set a nickname. So you simply have to tap on the chat and then tap on profile. Once you get to the chat settings, here you are going to have to set the nickname by tapping on this nicknames tab. And once you click on it, go ahead and tap on OK. Here you can create nicknames for you as well as your friends. Every chat can have a different nickname and anyone in the chat can see those nicknames. People who follow you or give permission can edit your nickname as well. So tap on the profile which you want to change nickname of or set a new nickname for. So let me just set a random nickname here and then tap on done. Once you do that, this nickname will be visible to everyone in the chat and the update will also be sent to the DM. So as you can see here, the nickname has been successfully changed. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.